बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम। अस्सलाम वालेकुम। इस वीडियो में जो जॉब्स मैं शेयर करूँगी वो वाली जॉब्स आई थी डॉन संडे जून 2 2024 के अखबार में। वैकेंसी अनाउंसमेंट। मेडिकल एमरजेंसी रेजिलियंस फाउंडेशन MERF इनवाइट्स एप्लीकेशन फ्रॉम डायनामिक एंड करियर ओरिएंटेड प्रोफेशनल्स फॉर द फॉलोइंग पोजीशंस लोकेटेड एट गवर्नमेंट जनरल हॉस्पिटल निश्तराबाद। सीरियल नंबर 1 पोजीशन टाइटल हेल्थ मैनेजर / मेडिकल सुपरिटेंडेंट। क्वालिफिकेशन एंड एक्सपीरियंस MBBS एंड MPH / हेल्थ मैनेजमेंट और इक्विवेलेंट at least 5 years post qualification mid level management experience. Number 2 deputy health manager / MS MBBS and MPH female only with relevant experience of 1 year. Number 3 general surgeon. Qualification and experience FCPS or equivalent in relevant field from recognized institute with post FCPS 5 years experience. 4 medical specialist FCPS / MCPS or equivalent in relevant field from recognized institute with post FCPS 5-year experience. 5 psychologist MSc psychology with 2 years of relevant experience. Number 6 pharmacist Form D with 2 years of relevant experience. Number 7 senior medical officer medical radiology peds gynecology anesthesia general surgery. FCPS training completed or equivalent in relevant field, at least 4 years of FCPS training experience holding training completion certificate. Number 8 nurse casualty surgery nursing degree bracket में लिखा हुआ है 4 years at least 1 year of experience in respective categories with valid PNC. Number 9 technicians operation theatre OT assistant surgical technician ICU / HDU technician anesthesia technician emergency technician BS in relevant field, at least 1 year of experience in respective categories. 10 phlebotomists diploma in pathology / health or equivalent from recognized institute, at least 1 year of experience. Number 11 IPC specialist MSc MPhil or higher education in relevant field with at least 3 years of relevant experience. और लोकेशंस है गवर्नमेंट जनरल हॉस्पिटल निश्तराबाद पेशावर। अच्छा जी, इंटरेस्टेड कैंडिडेट्स फुलफिलिंग द मेंशन क्वालिफिकेशन एंड एक्सपीरियंस क्राइटेरिया मे अप्लाई ऑन HR4NMDS and Gmail in gmail.com HR4NMDS@gmail.com clearly mentioning the position title and location in the subject line latest by 20th June 2024. Local candidates especially females are encouraged to apply. Candidate will be offered market based competitive salary with secure and furnished accommodation inside the hospital. MERF has a zero tolerance policy on conduct that is compatible with the aims and objectives. Hospital MRF including sexual exploitation and abuse, sexual harassment, abuse of authority and discrimination. MERF also adheres to strict light safeguarding principles. All selected candidates will be accepted to adhere to these standards and principle and will therefore undergo rigorous reference and background checks. Background may be required to provide additional information to conduct a background check. Only shortlisted candidates will be cleared for test / interview. Due to nature of project, positions may be filled on rolling basis. अच्छा जी, SIUT की इस जॉब बता देती हूँ। SIUT इज़ 1500 बेडेड, ये आप लोग देख लीजिएगा. वी आर लुकिंग फॉर एनर्जेटिक एंड एंथुसियास्टिक प्रोफेशनल्स हु हैव पैशन एंड अ डिज़ायर टू मेक अ पॉजिटिव डिफरेंस इन पेशेंट केयर. Reconstructive surgeon full-time / part-time FCPS or equivalent qualification with minimum 5 years experience in recognized institute. Epidemiologist MBBS with MSc in epidemiology and biostatistics, minimum 3 to 5 years of research experience. Post qualification, the candidate should have sound knowledge of research and report writing skills and good management, presentation and organizational skills. Technical analyst, patient safety and quality assurance, a master's degree in a related field such as data science, statistics, mathematics, computer science or economics. Professional candidates in data analysis or related fields can be advantageous. Minimum of 1 year of experience in healthcare data evaluation and analysis, quality assurance, quality projects, research and report writing in a hospital. Proven track record of conducting quality and research projects. SIUT offers a market competitive salary, perks and a growth oriented work environment. How to apply? If you are interested in joining our dynamic team, please send your updated resume to the Human Resource Departments in the Institute of Urology and Transplantation, Civil Hospital, Karachi 74200, on email at hrd@siut.org, hrd.siut@gmail.com. latest by June 12, 2024. Only shortlisted candidates will be contacted. अच्छा जी, ये जो जॉब है इसकी डेट निकल चुकी है। इसकी डेट 8 जून थी, ठीक है, और आज 9 जून है, मगर मैं फिर भी बता देती हूँ। खारादर जनरल हॉस्पिटल, KGH, मैनेज्ड बाय MBJ हेल्थ एसोसिएशन, स्टेट ऑफ द आर्ट, 250 बेडेड. Department of Obstetrics and Gynecology, one of the oldest and busiest unit of city. Catering above KGH offers a structured training program for postgraduate medical evaluation. अच्छा, ये पोस्ट ग्रेजुएट प्रोग्राम है, ठीक है, ये भी बता देती हूँ मैं. पोस्ट ग्रेजुएट medical education recognized by CPSP and PMDC in OBS/Gynae. Applications are invited for following position: consultant obstetrics and gynecology, full-time qualifications FCPS, FR, COG or equivalent. Eligibility: post FCPS 5 years, relevant experience, must be enrolled as supervisor in CPSP. How to apply? Applications with the covering letter and detailed CV should be sent to HR Department, KGH, Aga Khan Road, Karachi, for email kgh.hospital@gmail.com. latest by June 8, 2024. तो जी, ये तो थी मेरी आज की वीडियो।
अगर आप लोगों को मेरी वीडियो पसंद आई हो तो मेरी वीडियो को लाइक कीजिएगा और मेरे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कीजिएगा। इस वीडियो के लिए इतना ही। अल्लाह हाफ़िज़।